Sit back and breathe slowly. If you seek to wander through the furthest reaches of existence, join us on this journey into the profound unknown today. Let us begin by quieting the mind and looking deep into the shadows. What lies there is not mere emptiness, but a profound and hidden presence. What do you truly see when you gaze into the night sky? Is it a vacuum of nothingness, or a realm where our biological eyes fail us? Today, we move beyond the formulas of physics to speak of the soul of the universe. We are looking for the hidden home of all reality. Imagine the universe not as a collection of stars, but as a vast, interconnected tapestry of invisible forces that hold every single thing in its place. Dark matter is the silent ghost of the cosmos. It does not glow, it does not reflect, yet it dictates the dance of every galaxy we see. We have long believed that light was the primary storyteller of the universe. But what if light is merely a thin veil over a much deeper truth? For centuries, we peered through glass and mirrors, trying to map the heavens. We counted the stars and named the planets, thinking we knew the whole. But the more we looked, the more we realized that the visible world is just a fraction of the total. Our eyes are limited by biological evolution. There is a privilege in sight, but there is also a blindness. We are blind to the vast majority of the matter that builds our very home. These early pioneers felt the weight of the unknown. They sensed that something was pulling on the stars, something they could not see or even name. Could it be that dark matter is not just a substance, but an entire universe? A shadow realm existing alongside our own, separated by a thin barrier? Time itself seems to whisper in these quiet places. We are like children sitting in a dark room, trying to describe the furniture we cannot touch. Our scientific instruments are like that lighthouse beam. They show us the path, but they cannot reveal the depths of the ocean hiding in the dark. Nature repeats its patterns from the smallest snowflake to the largest galaxy clusters. In this symmetry, we might find the clues to the dark world. If you feel small under the weight of the stars, remember that you are also part of the mystery. Your body is built from cosmic dust. In these cosmic collisions, we see the hand of dark matter. It acts as the scaffolding, the invisible architecture that keeps the universe from flying apart. We must be willing to let go of our traditional logic. The rules of the dark universe might be entirely different from the ones we know. Step into the woods of the mind. Here, the boundaries between the self and the cosmos begin to blur into a single, unified experience of being. We are measuring a reality that doesn't want to be measured. Dark matter remains elusive, a shy giant that refuses to step into the light. Perhaps it is not a thing to be caught, but a presence to be felt. Like the wind on the sand, we see the effect. What if every atom of ours has a dark twin? A mirror universe where the forces are inverted and the light is replaced by something else. The dark matter might be the ink in the water of our reality. It defines the shape of everything, even if it remains largely unseen. We record our observations, hoping to find a pattern. Every calculation is a letter sent to the void, waiting for a reply that never comes. Could these be the building blocks of the other side? Solid yet invisible, heavy yet ghostly. They are the anchors of our visible world. Our story of the universe is like an old film. We see the frames, but we miss the space between them where the real magic happens. Think of the cosmic web as this delicate thread. It connects every galaxy, every star, and every person in a grand, invisible design of nature. The universe is a turbulent ocean. On the surface, we see the waves of light, but beneath lies the immense pressure of the dark depths. In the silence of the cold, we find a different kind of clarity. The universe is not empty. It is merely waiting for us to understand. The brain and the cosmos share a blueprint. Is it possible that our consciousness is somehow tuned to the frequencies of the dark universe as well? We are on the verge of a great discovery, a threshold where physics meets philosophy, and where the seen meets the eternal, mysterious, unseen. Light is our messenger, but it only tells part of the story. It is the limited vocabulary of a much larger and more complex language. The reflection is not the reality. We have been staring at the surface of the lake, ignoring the depths that lie just beneath the shimmering stars. Time might flow differently in the dark universe. Without light to mark the seconds, perhaps existence there is an eternal, unchanging moment of pure being. Every discovery starts with a single moment of wonder, a realization that the world is far bigger and more mysterious than we ever dared imagine. We are the observers, the witnesses to this grand drama. And as the light fades, we begin to see the true shape of our cosmic home. Prepare yourselves. We are moving from the familiar world of light into the categories of existence we have never even dared to doubt before. We categorize the world to understand it. We separate the land from the sea, the living from the dead, and the light from the heavy darkness. But look closer at the sand. Each grain is a world unto itself, yet together they form a vast and singular landscape that defies easy definition. We see the stone as cold and dead, and the plant as vibrant and alive. But both are made of the same fundamental cosmic ingredients. Our senses draw boundaries that nature does not recognize. We are part of a continuous flow of energy that moves through everything in the universe. The hummingbird exists in a world of high frequency. To us, it is a blur. To itself, it is perfectly still and perfectly in control. Consider the prism. It reveals that white light is actually a hidden choir of colors. There is so much more than what first meets the eye. Beyond our vision, the world is alive with heat and radiation. The infrared spectrum shows us a reality that is normally hidden from our view. Even the flowers have a secret language written in ultraviolet light. We walk through a world of hidden messages every single day of our lives. What if dark matter is simply another frequency, a part of the spectrum that our eyes, and even our most advanced machines, cannot yet perceive? We build these cathedrals of science to hunt for the invisible. We smash atoms together, hoping to catch a glimpse of the dark world shadow. The data tells us that something is missing. There is a massive gap in our ledger of the universe, a debt that light cannot ever pay. The canyon is a testament to time and erosion. Similarly, the structure of the universe is a testament to the hidden force of dark matter. We are searching for the key to the dark universe. But what if the key is not an object, but a change in our perspective? In the stillness of meditation, we can sometimes feel the vastness. We sense that we are more than just flesh and bone in a vacuum. Complexity arises from simple rules. The dark universe likely has its own chemistry, its own biology, and perhaps even its own version of a soul. We live in a world of light and shadow, but we often forget that the shadow is just as real and important as the light itself. One small action can have a huge effect. The presence of dark matter ripples through the entire cosmos, shaping the very fate of all galaxies. Is life limited to the matter we can see? Or could there be a form of existence that is built from the dark material itself? The desert is not empty. It is full of potential. The dark universe is the same, a vast, untapped reservoir of mystery and hidden, quiet life. We are the bridge between these two worlds. Through our curiosity, the universe is beginning to look at itself and ask the most difficult questions. We have always looked for meaning in the dark. Our ancestors saw gods and monsters. We see particles and forces. Both are attempts to understand. Science is our modern mythology. It gives us a framework to explore the dark, to name the unnameable, and to touch the very face of God. We are at the edge of our understanding. Beyond this cliff lies the vast, unexplored territory of the dark matter universe, waiting for our discovery. The mixing of light and dark is a fundamental process. In the early universe, these two worlds were perhaps more closely intertwined than they are today. What remains when the light goes out? Not nothingness, but the true foundation of reality. The dark matter that has always been there, waiting patiently. Imagine a city made of shadows. It has streets, buildings, and history, but it is entirely invisible to someone who only looks for the light. There is a lag, a disconnect between what we see and what is actually there. We are living in a slightly delayed version of reality. If dark matter can form structures, it can form life. A life that doesn't need the sun, but draws its energy from the dark forces themselves. Form is temporary, but the essence remains. The dark universe may be the permanent state of things, with our visible world being a brief accident. Even in the most desolate places, there is beauty. The universe uses the dark as a canvas to paint its most spectacular and moving masterpieces. Knowledge is not just found in what we can read. It is also found in the silence between the words and the space between the pages. We are walking through a cosmic fog. We know there is something ahead, but we can only guess at its shape and its true nature. Black holes are the ultimate gateways. They are the places where light is defeated by gravity, and the dark universe finally takes complete and utter control. Is dark matter a material we could one day touch? Or is it something so fundamentally different that it will always slip through our fingers? We dream of other worlds, but we forget the one we are already in. A world that is 90% hidden from our limited human senses. We are the arrow flying through the dark. We have a direction and a purpose, but we do not always see the air that supports us. Some things are driven by forces we cannot see. The sunflowers wait for the light, just as we wait for the truth of the dark. Your heart beats in rhythm with the universe. You are not a spectator. You are a participant in the grand, dark symphony of all existence. We are a single species, united by our shared ignorance and our shared curiosity. The dark universe is the ultimate frontier that brings us together. We are building better eyes. Soon, we may be able to see the ripples of gravity and the silhouettes of the dark galaxies themselves. Our touch can be destructive. As we study the dark, we must be careful not to change the very thing we are trying to understand. The horizon is not the end. It is just the limit of our sight. Beyond the line of the visible lies the vastness of the dark. We are made of star stuff, but we are also made of dark stuff. The forces that shape the galaxies also shaped the very atoms in your bones. Waking up is a metaphor for discovery. We are slowly opening our eyes to a reality that is far more complex than our simple dreams. The past is hidden, and so is the majority of the present. We are living on the surface of a deeply layered and mysterious reality. We each carry our own light. It is small and fragile, but it is enough to show us the next step in our long, cosmic journey. The darkness is the ocean, and the galaxies are the foam. We have spent too much time studying the foam and not enough the water. In the dark universe, time may not exist as we know it. It might be a place of eternal stillness, where everything happens at once. We are a part of the cosmos, and the cosmos is a part of us. This connection is the most profound truth we will ever find. The barrier is thinning. We are starting to reach through the veil, to touch the dark universe and feel its cold, mysterious, and heavy weight. The meteor is a brief visitor from the dark. It reminds us that there is a whole world out there, beyond our atmosphere and our sight. By studying the smallest things, we can learn about the largest. The secrets of the dark universe are hidden in the behavior of every single atom. As the sun sets on our old understanding, a new one is rising. We are entering a new age of discovery, the age of the dark. The universe has a skeleton, an invisible frame upon which all light and matter are hung. This is the grand symphony of the dark world. Within these filaments, gravity is the composer. It pulls and pushes, creating the rhythms that dictate the birth and death of stars and galaxies. We see the islands of light, but we ignore the vast ocean that surrounds them. That ocean is where the true power of the universe resides. Our civilizations are like these city lights. They seem important to us, but on a cosmic scale, they are just tiny flickers in the vastness. When the lights go out, the true structure remains. The mountains, the rivers, and the dark matter that holds it all together in its cold. What if every galaxy has a twin made of dark matter? A mirror existence that follows the same laws, but is completely invisible to our light. We are looking for ourselves in the dark. We hope to find a reflection of our own existence in the mysterious particles of the other side. The universe is a musical instrument. Each particle is a note, and the dark matter is the deep, resonant bass that gives the music its depth. Listen to the silence. Within it, you can hear the faint echoes of the cosmic symphony, the song of a universe that is mostly hidden away. Could there be life in the dark? A civilization that doesn't use photons, but communicates through the subtle, gentle pull of gravity and dark forces. Dark matter is often called a fluid. It flows around the galaxies, pushing them into the complex shapes we see through our telescopes and our minds. We can feel the dark universe even if we can't see it. Its influence is all around us, a gentle pressure that we often mistake for nothing. Gravity is the bridge between the light and the dark. It is the only force that both worlds share, the only common language they both speak. Imagine a world where the sun never rises. A place where the sky is always black, but the ground is warm from the dark energy below. We are searching for a face in the dark. We are looking for something familiar in a realm that is fundamentally and beautifully alien to us. Every day, we get closer to understanding. Each new discovery is a piece of the puzzle, a step towards unveiling the greatest mystery of all time. The reflection is not the thing itself. We must learn to look past the light, to see the reality that lies hidden beneath the shimmering surface. We are the chroniclers of the universe. We record its history and its laws, hoping to find a meaning in the vast, dark expanse of space. The cosmic web is like this spider's trap. It is a masterpiece of design, built by an architect we have never seen and cannot fully comprehend. Life finds a way, even in the dark. It adapts to the conditions, creating beauty and complexity where we might only expect to find a cold. The universe is watching us, just as we are watching it. In this mutual observation, we find a connection that transcends our physical and mental limits. We can interact with the dark through our technology. We can simulate its behavior and predict its effects, even if we cannot see it directly yet. The eye is a window into the soul, but it is also a window into the cosmos. Through it, the universe is trying to understand itself. We are the children of the stars. We were born from the light, but we are sustained by the dark matter that holds our world together. The dark matter is the ultimate gravity. It pulls on everything, shaping the destiny of the galaxies and the very structure of the universe as well. We are a part of a larger story, a story that began in the dark and will likely end in the dark, in a vast cosmic cycle. Time is a human invention. In the dark universe, it may not exist at all. It may be a place of eternal presence and infinite possibility. We are experimenting with the laws of nature. We are trying to find the cracks in the visible world where the dark universe might be leaking. Beauty is everywhere, even in the most remote corners of the cosmos. It is a sign that the universe is not a cold and empty. The dark matter is the breath of the universe. It moves through the galaxies, giving them life and shape in a way we are only beginning. The mirror is a gateway. It shows us a world that is just like ours, but different. A world that is made of shadows and silence. Everything is connected. The smallest grain of sand and the largest galaxy are part of the same cosmic web, held together by the same dark forces. We are the explorers of the dark. We are the ones who are brave enough to look into the void and see the beauty that lies within. The dark matter is the ultimate predator. It consumes the light, but it also creates the conditions for new stars and galaxies to be born again. The dark is full of life. It is a hidden world, a secret garden that we are only just beginning to discover and to appreciate its wonder. Your heart is a part of the universe. Its beat is a part of the cosmic rhythm, the music of the dark that flows through all things. The secrets of life are hidden in the dark. We are made of the same material as the stars, but also the same material as the void. The universe is a living thing. It grows, it changes, and it is mostly hidden from our view, like an iceberg in a dark, cold sea. The ocean is a metaphor for the cosmos. We see the surface, the waves of light, but the true depth is hidden in the dark water below. The small reflects the large. In every drop of water, in every grain of sand, we can find a reflection of the entire, dark universe itself. We are the architects of our own understanding. We build theories and models to explain the dark, hoping to find a place where we belong. The light is a brief moment in the history of the universe. The dark is the eternal state, the beginning and the end of all things. Our presence matters. We are the ones who give the universe a voice, who allow it to see itself and to wonder about its own mystery. The eye is the bridge. It connects the inner world of the mind with the outer world of the cosmos, the seen with the eternal unseen. We are learning to control the dark. We are discovering its secrets and its power, and in doing so, we are changing our own future forever. The universe is a garden. It is full of beauty and mystery, and it is mostly hidden from our view, like a secret that is waiting. We are the dreamers of the dark. We are the ones who look into the void and see the potential for something new and something wonderful. Time is not what it seems. In the dark universe, it might be a multidimensional landscape where the past, present, and future all exist at once. We are the inhabitants of the dark. We have lived here for billions of years, even if we are only just beginning to realize it. The dark matter is the ultimate anchor. It holds the galaxies in place, preventing them from drifting away into the infinite emptiness of the deep space. The dark is not a cold place. It is full of life and warmth, a hidden world that is just as real as our own visible one. Your heart is a part of the cosmic heart. Its beat is the beat of the universe, the pulse of the dark that flows through all. The universe is a masterpiece of design. It is complex, beautiful, and mostly hidden from our view, like a painting that is still being created. The dark matter is the sea in which we swim. It is all around us, a constant presence that we are only just beginning to understand. The sunset is the end of the day, but it is also the beginning of the night. It is a transition from the light to the dark. The small is the same as the large. In every part of the universe, we can find a reflection of the whole, the dark and light. We are the creators of our own destiny. We can use the secrets of the dark to build a better future for ourselves and for others. The dark is our home. We were born from it, and we will return to it, in a grand cycle of birth, death, and cosmic rebirth. Our knowledge is fragile. Every discovery is a step into the unknown, a way to touch the dark universe and learn its deep, ancient secrets. The eye is the storyteller. It tells the story of the universe, of the light and the dark, and of the mystery that lies within us. Gravity is the only language our two worlds share. It is the bridge where the visible and the invisible meet to whisper their ancient, cosmic secrets. When we see light bending in the middle of empty space, we are witnessing the touch of an invisible giant, a weight we cannot ever see. This is the Thou Kin Hap Dan, a cosmic magnifying glass. It proves that the void is not empty, but filled with a heavy and silent presence. Consider the wind and the sand. We do not see the wind itself, yet we see the dunes shift and change under its invisible, powerful hand. Dark matter is that cosmic wind. It pushes the stars and pulls the galaxies, carving the structure of the universe without ever showing its own face. We are standing in that mist, trying to touch the architect. We feel the pressure of the unseen world against our skin and within our souls. The light curves not because of what it sees, but because of what it feels. The path of every photon is dictated by the dark gravity. In the realm of gravity, all things are equal. The light and the dark dance together, bound by the same fundamental law that governs all motion. The bridge of gravity is a one-way street of information. We see the effects, but we cannot send a signal back into the dark universe's heart. We are listening to the echoes of a hidden world. The subtle shifts in the orbits of stars are the whispers of our invisible, heavy neighbor. Without the dark, the galaxies would fly apart. They would be lost to the void, unable to hold on to their stars in the vast, cold expanse. We live in a house of mirrors. One side is made of light and matter, the other of darkness and mystery, both reflecting the same grand. Every interaction is a ripple. Even our presence on this small planet sends a tiny, gravitational wave out into the vast and silent dark matter ocean. We are travelers on the bridge between worlds. We walk the line between what we know and what we are only just beginning to imagine. The echoes of the Big Bang are written in the light, but the blueprints for those echoes were drawn by the dark matter billions of years. The universe keeps time with a gravitational beat. The dark matter is the weight on the pendulum, ensuring the cosmic clock never misses a single. The dark universe is like the deep ice. It is cold, dense, and solid, providing the foundation for the light to dance upon the surface. Every galaxy is cradled in a dark cocoon, a protective shell that keeps the stars together and guides the galaxy through the long, cosmic night. We are looking for the circuitry of the cosmos. We want to understand how the light and the dark are wired together in this grand design. The universe is staring back at us. In every eye, there is a reflection of the same dark and light forces that built the entire sky. The dance of the stars is a choreography of gravity. The dark matter is the silent partner, leading the light through the vast, cosmic ballroom. There is a current in the cosmos, a flow of dark energy and matter that carries everything towards an unknown destination at the end of time. Light and smoke, visible and hidden. The universe is a fire that consumes itself, leaving behind the dark ash of matter we cannot yet see. Our compasses are failing. The traditional laws of physics are not enough to guide us through the dark territory of the modern, mysterious universe. The dark universe is deep. We drop our questions into the void, and we are still waiting to hear the sound of them hitting the bottom. They are the ultimate ghosts. They do not collide. They do not burn. They simply exist in a state of perfect, silent, and eternal indifference. Beauty is the symptom of a deeper order. The way the stars are arranged is a testament to the invisible hand of the dark matters. The universe has left its mark on us. Every atom in our bodies is a signature of the cosmic forces that shaped the dark and light. We are at the dawn of a new understanding. The light is coming, but for now, we must learn to navigate the dark with our hearts. Gravity can be a gentle pull or a violent tear. The dark matter uses this force to sculpt the galaxies into the beautiful shapes we. Something is moving through our world. We feel it in the orbits of the planets and the rotation of the stars, a ghostly, heavy presence. The history of the universe is written in a language we are only just beginning to decode. A language where the dark is the main. We look back to understand the future. The secrets of the dark matter were laid down at the very beginning of the cosmic story we. The dark is growing. The space between the galaxies is expanding, driven by an energy we cannot see but can definitely feel the effects of. The fog of the dark universe is all around us. It hides the truth, but it also creates a sense of mystery and wonder in us. The universe is full of sorrow and beauty. The dark matter is the silent witness to all of it, the quiet observer of our cosmic. We are the universe experiencing itself. Through us, the dark matter is beginning to feel and to think, to wonder about its own existence, and the universe is a brain. Each galaxy is a neuron, and the dark matter is the synaptic connection that allow the cosmic mind to think. The mirror of the universe is perfect. It reflects the light and the dark in a way that is both beautiful and deeply mysterious too. The universe is a machine, a complex and wonderful mechanism that is driven by the dark forces we are only just beginning to discover, and we are the light in the dark. Our curiosity is the flame that will eventually illuminate the entire cosmos and reveal its most hidden secrets. The black hole is the ultimate dark matter. It is the place where the laws of physics break down and the mystery begins in earnest. The universe is a cold and beautiful place. It is a place of wonder and mystery, and it is mostly made of stuff we cannot. The dark universe is within reach. We are starting to touch its surface, to feel its presence and its power in our own lives, and the moon is our neighbor in the dark. It is a reminder that we are not alone in the vastness of the cosmos, and the dark matter is the glue of the universe. It holds the stars together and prevents them from drifting away into the infinite emptiness of space. The dark is full of secrets. It is a place where anything is possible, and where the truth is often hidden in plain and simple. Your heart is a part of the universe. Its beat is a part of the cosmic rhythm, the pulse of the dark that flows through. We are the observers of the dark. We are the ones who look into the void and see the potential for something new and wonderful. The dark universe is dynamic. It is growing and changing, and it is shaping the future of everything that exists in the cosmos and beyond. The ocean is a metaphor for the dark universe. We see the surface, the waves of light, but the true depth is hidden in the small reflects the large. In every drop of water, in every grain of sand, we can find a reflection of the entire dark universe. We are the creators of our own future. We can use the secrets of the dark universe to build a better world for ourselves, and the dark is our home. We were born from it, and we will return to it one day, in a grand cycle of birth, and our knowledge is a work in progress. Every new discovery is a step into the unknown, a way to touch the dark universe, and the eye is the bridge. It connects the inner world of the mind with the outer world of the cosmos, the seen with the eternal. We are learning to control the dark. We are discovering its secrets and its power, and in doing so, we are changing our own future. The universe is watching us. In its vastness, it finds a reflection of our own curiosity and our own desire to understand the dark mystery. We are the dreamers of the dark. We are the ones who look into the void and see the potential for something new and wonderful. Time is a human invention. In the dark universe, it may not exist at all. It may be a place of eternal presence and infinite. Look at your own hands, then look at the cosmos. The same branching patterns that carry life through your veins also carry galaxies through the void. We are not separate from the universe. We are made of the same geometric blueprints, the same hidden architecture that connects the small and the great. In the darkness of the womb, a new world is built from the atoms of the stars. We are born in shadow, just like the galaxies. The birth of a child and the birth of a galaxy are echoes of the same creative force. Gravity pulls matter into form, creating life everywhere. Inside every cell, there is a miniature universe. And perhaps, within that universe, the influence of dark matter is still felt, a silent, invisible guide. The atoms in your breath have drifted across the cosmos for billions of years. They have been held in the embrace of the dark matter's gravity. We are mostly empty space. But that space is not empty at all. It is filled with the field of the dark, the invisible fabric of reality. You are a part of a great entity, a vast, self-organizing reality that transcends our limited definitions of life, death, and the passage of time. Connection is the fundamental truth. Whether it is the touch of a hand or the pull of a galaxy, everything is bound by the dark. From the macro to the micro, the story is the same. We are the witnesses to a dark universe that is slowly beginning to wake up. The universe loves symmetry. In the cold, dark spaces between the stars, the same laws of geometry create beauty on a scale we can barely. Our knowledge is transient. But the underlying reality, the dark matter that builds our world, is eternal and unchanging, a constant presence in a shifting universe. Is our biology tuned to the dark? Perhaps our consciousness is a resonance between the matter we see and the matter we can only feel. We focus on the light because it is familiar, but the dark spaces are where the true potential lies, the hidden energy that powers every small thing contains the whole. In a single drop of dew, the entire dark universe is reflected, a testament to the interconnectedness of things. We are the bridge between worlds. We stand on the edge of the visible, looking out into the vast, dark ocean of the unknown with. Thinking is a cosmic process. Our minds are a part of the larger mind of the universe, a dark and complex network of pure information. Look deep into the eye. You are seeing the same forces that shaped the galaxies, the same dark matter that holds the stars in place. In the silence, we can feel the connection. We are not alone in the void. We are part of a vast and supportive dark embrace. The cosmic web is the nervous system of the universe. It carries the signals of gravity and dark energy across the vast, empty spaces of time. Is the heartbeat of the dark. It is a slow, rhythmic process that guides the evolution of the universe from the beginning to end. The mountains are a part of the dark. They are built from the same atoms that were forged in the hearts of long-dead stars, and your life is a ripple in the dark. It is a small but significant part of the grand, cosmic story that is being written in. We are the dawn of a new understanding. We are starting to see the dark universe for what it truly is, our home and source. Growth begins in the dark. Every life, every star, and every galaxy starts as a small seed in the vast, dark expanse of the universe. The universe is a choreography. The stars and the galaxies are the dancers, and the dark matter is the silent music that guides them both. The dark is full of beauty. It is a place where the imagination can run wild, and where the secrets of the universe are hidden. Your body is a map of the cosmos. The same forces that shape the galaxies are written in the very lines of your own skin. We are the storytellers of the dark. We gather around the fire of our curiosity to tell the tales of the universe and its mystery. The black hole is the gateway to the dark. It is the place where the laws of physics break down and the mystery begins again. The universe is a cold and beautiful place. It is a place of wonder and mystery, and it is mostly made of stuff The eye is the bridge between worlds. It connects the inner world of the mind with the outer world of the cosmos and the dark. We are the universe experiencing itself. Through us, the dark matter is beginning to feel and to think, to wonder about its own existence, and the universe is a brain. Each galaxy is a neuron, and the dark matter is the synaptic connection that allows the cosmic mind to think. The mirror of the universe is perfect. It reflects the light and the dark in a way that is both beautiful and deeply mysterious too. The universe is a machine, a complex and wonderful mechanism that is driven by the dark forces we are only just beginning to discover, and we are the light in the dark. Our curiosity is the flame that will eventually illuminate the entire cosmos and reveal its most hidden secrets. The black hole is the ultimate dark matter. It is the place where the laws of physics break down and the mystery begins in earnest. The universe is a cold and beautiful place. It is a place of wonder and mystery, and it is mostly made of stuff the dark universe is within reach. We are starting to touch its surface, to feel its presence and its power in our own lives, and the moon is our neighbor in the dark. It is a reminder that we are not alone in the vastness of the cosmos, and the dark matter is the glue of the universe. It holds the stars together and prevents them from drifting away into the infinite emptiness of space. The dark is full of secrets. It is a place where anything is possible, and where the truth is often hidden in plain and simple. Your heart is a part of the universe. Its beat is a part of the cosmic rhythm, the pulse of the dark that flows through. We are the observers of the dark. We are the ones who look into the void and see the potential for something new and wonderful. The dark universe is dynamic. It is growing and changing, and it is shaping the future of everything that exists in the cosmos and beyond. The ocean is a metaphor for the dark universe. We see the surface, the waves of light, but the true depth is hidden in the small reflects the large. In every drop of water, in every grain of sand, we can find a reflection of the entire dark universe. We are the creators of our own future. We can use the secrets of the dark universe to build a better world for ourselves, and the dark is our home. We were born from it, and we will return to it one day, in a grand cycle of birth, and our knowledge is a work in progress. Every new discovery is a step into the unknown, a way to touch the dark universe, and the eye is the bridge. It connects the inner world of the mind with the outer world of the cosmos, the seen with the eternal. We are learning to control the dark. We are discovering its secrets and its power, and in doing so, we are changing our own future. The universe is watching us. In its vastness, it finds a reflection of our own curiosity and our own desire to understand the dark mystery. We are the dreamers of the dark. We are the ones who look into the void and see the potential for something new and wonderful. Time is a human invention. In the dark universe, it may not exist at all. It may be a place of eternal presence and infinite. We are the inhabitants of the dark. We have lived here for billions of years, even if we are only just beginning to realize it. And the dark matter is the ultimate anchor. It holds the galaxies in place, preventing them from drifting away into the infinite emptiness of space, and the dark is not a cold place. It is full of life and warmth, a hidden world that is just as real as our own visible. Your heart is a part of the cosmic heart. Its beat is the beat of the universe, the pulse of the dark that flows through. We have reached the end of the light. As the sun dips below the horizon, we must prepare for the arrival of the total dark. But the dark is not empty. It is a canvas of infinite stars, a map of the universe that only reveals itself when the sun is. Do not fear the shadows. They are the birthplace of everything we love, the cradle of the stars, and the home of the invisible, and we are so small, yet we contain the entire universe within our minds. Our curiosity is the bridge that spans the gap between light and even the stars will one day fade, but the dark matter will remain, the eternal foundation of all that ever was and all that ever. In the silence of the night, we can hear the universe breathing. It is a slow, rhythmic pulse that connects every atom in our cold. Time is running out for the visible world, but for the dark universe, the journey is only just beginning, an eternal moment of pure and we are the architects of the future. We will build our understanding of the dark, one discovery at a time, until the whole is known. You are that spark. You are the light that dares to look into the void and find meaning in the vastness of the dark end. The light is a gift, but the dark is our home. We must learn to love both, for they are two sides of the same. The universe is a deep ocean. We are just sailors on the surface, looking down into the depths and wondering what lies hidden in the. Life can exist in the dark. It finds a way to thrive in the most extreme conditions, a testament to the resilience of the cosmic. Closing our eyes is a way to see more. In the darkness of our minds, we can explore the furthest reaches of the universe, and we are decoding the language of the cosmos. Every symbol is a clue, every equation a step towards the ultimate truth of the dark matter. The truth is hidden in the cracks. In the places where our theories fail, the dark universe is waiting to be found and finally known. The universe is a falling star. It is a brief moment of light in the eternal dark, a beautiful and tragic story of birth, and the black hole is the heart of the dark. It is the place where the visible and the invisible become one in a grand and we are the children of the dark. We were born from the void, and we will return to it one day in a grand cycle. We are all part of the same story. A story that is mostly hidden, but no less real for its invisibility in the vast cosmic. The dark is the majority. It is the weight and the power of the cosmos, the silent partner that allows the light to exist at. The light is gone, but the presence remains. The smoke is a memory of the flame, just as we are a memory of the stars. We are becoming the dark. We are merging our understanding with the reality of the cosmos to find our true place in the grand design. The dark is full of potential. It is a place of infinite possibility, where anything can happen and where the future is waiting to be. The cosmic web is our home. It is the foundation upon which we built our world, and the secret that we are only just beginning. The mirror is complete. We see the light and the dark, the visible and the invisible, and we realize that they are one and they. Time has stopped. In the dark universe, we are in an eternal present, a state of pure being where the mystery is finally and completely. We are ready. We have looked into the void, and we are not afraid. We are the explorers of the dark, and our journey is. The universe is within us. We are the dark matter, we are the light, and we are the mystery that connects them both together forever. As you turn off your screen and step into the quiet dark of your own room, remember that the void is never truly empty at. Good night, travelers of space and time. May your dreams be filled with the light of undiscovered stars before the darkness finally falls and settles over.